y'all, today on Restless Chipotle Kitchen, I've got a fun snack for you that's perfect for Valentine's Day, and it's a great project to do with the kids. This is a fun treat. It's fun to make with the kids on a snow day or anytime that, you know, it's a rainy day, anytime they're inside. You can make this for almost any holiday, and today we're going to do Valentine's Day, but you could do it for St. Patrick's Day or a baby shower, a bridal shower, just depending on what colors of the M&ms and the candy melts you used, okay? So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to pop some popcorn. So I'm going to do that, and I'll be right back. All right, I've popped my popcorn, and I'm laying it out on a parchment-covered cookie sheet. And the reason for that is I wanted to be able to pick out as many of the kernels that didn't pop as I could, so nobody breaks their teeth. And I think I've got most of them. Of course, it seems like you never get all of them, but I think I've got most of them. So we're ready to go. For this, I'm going to start out with my pink candy melts that have been melted, and I'm going to kind of just drizzle it over the popcorn. Just like that. And then I'm going to stir it up just a little bit, but not a lot, because I'm going to use some of these other colors too. And this is why I put the parchment on there first, because it makes for a really easy cleanup. Get that popcorn back on there. All right. Now, I'm going to get all of the ones that I can see that don't have anything on them and get them in the middle, because that's pretty much the area where it seems like I pour it. And I want to get as much of the popcorn covered as I can. So now I'm going to take the red candy melts and I'm going to melt those, and I'll be right back. I just want to show y'all something. These were an off-brand candy melt. They weren't Wilton. And I am not saying I don't work for Wilton. Wilton's not paying me. But I would like to show you these off-brand candy melts. They do not melt the way that the Wilton and major brand candy melts melt. So there will not be red on my popcorn because this is too thick to drizzle. I will use it for something else. But I just wanted to show you all that instead of stopping the video and starting over and pretending like everything in life was perfect, right? All right, now we've got the white chocolate, and we're going to do the same thing. See how nicely that drizzles? So different from the other one. And we're just going to drizzle this chocolate on there. We're not trying to totally coat the popcorn. We're just trying to put just a drizzle on it. Just to give it some flavor and to help it hold together. All right. Now I'm going to add my red M&ms. And my dried cranberries, Craisins, whatever you want to call them, and use as many of those as you want. You don't need actual measurement for this. Just put some in there until it looks right. Right? And then I have my heart sprinkles. Put some of those in there. More heart sprinkles. These are different little ones. Put a few of those in there. And let's see, what else do I have? I have these to add kind of colors to everything that's melty chocolate. And then a little bit of gold, just because it'll be pretty. And I'm going to take that and mix that up. Then it's going to go in the refrigerator and harden up for about 10 to 15 minutes. Okay? That's really it. Here is our popcorn mixture and a bowl to put it in, because we don't want to serve it like this. The candy will have hardened, and you're going to want to break it up a little bit before you put it in the bowl. And once this is hardened, you don't need to keep it in the refrigerator. You can put it in bags. It's really cute in little cellophane bags with ribbon tied around it, like for class gifts or whatever. Or you can just keep it in an airtight container in the pantry, wherever. This is fine. It does not need refrigeration. Now, as you can see, there's still some of the kernels in there, but as you put it in the bowl, you can pretty much get around any of those so that they're not, so that you don't pick them up. And make sure you get all your M&ms though, and all your cranberries. I don't think it's going to all fit in the bowl. Maybe. Let's see. I don't want to leave any of those M&ms out for sure. But this is just something, it's quick and easy. It's great for family movie night, or if you're going to settle down in front of the Hallmark Channel. Y'all know how I feel about the Hallmark Channel, right? If you're going to settle down in front of the Hallmark Channel for a romantic movie or something like that, this is absolutely perfect. It's pretty, it's sweet, it's salty, and it's easy to make. And it's so cute with these little hearts and things in there. All right, I'm going to give it a final little sprinkle of the gold, just to give it a little sparkle. And we're going to call that done. So y'all, there you have it. Popcorn, Valentine's Day popcorn with white chocolate and dried cranberries and M&ms and all kinds of pretty little things like that. Well, y'all, wasn't that fun? And isn't that pretty? It's just perfect. It's just a perfect little snack for Valentine's Day, Galentine's Day, or just a fun project to do with the kids. So I hope you'll try it. I hope you'll come back next week. And don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to hit like and a nice comment. And I'll see y'all back here next week, okay? Love y'all. Bye-bye.